train?
A train?
Wow! Choo-choo!
Bright and colorful, clickety clack.
A steam engine puffer riding the track. Chugga-chugga, chugga-chugga, yeah! How is it made? Let's find out. How is it made? Let's show. Didadu TV. Here we go!
Roll the blue clay long and square.
For the engine body sitting right there. Chugga-chugga, chugga-chugga, choo-choo. Chugga-chugga, chugga-chugga, chugga-choo. Wheels round and black
to keep our engine right on the track.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We love the way the clay sticks.
We squeeze,
we grind,
we mix it all,
making it sturdy, making it tall. Squeeze it, mix it, clay is fun.
Squish it down until it's done.
Yellow clay for the windows bright,
so the driver can see through the night.
I see a window, I see a door. We want to build each. How is it made? Let's find out. How is it made? Let's shout. Didadu TV. Here we go. How is it made? Let's find out. How is it made? Let's shout. Didadu TV. Here we go. White clay balls for the puffy smoke.
A happy train is never a joke.
Puff, 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 into the sky. Final touch. We explored, we learned, and now we know.
Our claymation train is ready to go.
See you soon, choo-choo. See you soon, choo-choo. Bye-bye.